In this video, I'll show you how to fix copy and paste not working in Windows 11. If copy and paste isn't working on your Windows 11, here are some effective fixes. So the method 1 will require you to restart your Windows Explorer. So to be able to do that, go ahead and open Task Manager. Now go ahead and head over into the WinStart menu and search for Task Manager in here. Now on the search results, click on Task Manager and you'll be able to open Task Manager. Now on Task Manager, go ahead and look for Windows Explorer under the Processes tab. So just scroll down into this section since this section is actually alphabetically ordered. So simply look for the W section and you'll be able to find the Windows Explorer. Click on that and click on Restart on the bottom right of this pop-up. Another thing that you can do to resolve this issue is to go ahead and clear your clipboard data. So to be able to look for your clipboard history, click on the Win plus V button on your keyboard. So as you can see in here, we'll be able to find my clipboard history. So click on the Clear All button to remove stored clipboard data. That's basically how you can fix copy and paste not working in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.